Hi, this is SUHA. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. And in this video, I will show you how you can create this party glam look only using inexpensive products. And I haven't even used any kinds of foundation. I only used this Pond's BB cream. Exactly. Like that product, I have used tons of inexpensive products in this video. So this is going to be a very useful video for those who are on a budget and still want to do great makeup. So if you guys want to see, then keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more of my videos. And without any further ado, let's move on with this video.
Starting off by using LA Girl Pro Concealer Green Corrector to remove some of the redness, and after that I'm using this yellow corrector to get rid of some of the discoloration that I have on my skin. And then blend them well before moving on to the next step. I'm applying a little bit yellow underneath my eye to brighten up. So I'm using Pond's BB cream as my base, and I will be applying this twice to get my desired coverage. After that, I'm using this Revolution concealer underneath my eye to brighten up even more. I'm using Wet n Wild Brow Kit to do my eyebrows. This is one of the best inexpensive eyebrow kit that I have come across. After that, I'm just cleaning up any mess with BH Cosmetic Concealer Palette. And then I'm using another color corrector from LA Girl, and this is in the shade Espresso to do my contour. After that, I'm just baking my face using W7 banana powder, and this is the best inexpensive loose powder I have found. And once we're done with that, we are going to be using this new Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and just apply a few transition shades. So this is a very simple eye makeup. I'm just going one shade darker every time and just building that color into that crease, and that's basically it. Now I'm using Revolution Glitter Glue, and I will be using these two Beauty Creation loose glitter and mix them to get this look. Make sure the transition is very smooth because you don't want a hard transition between that glitter and your eyeshadows. So dust off all the excess powder, and now I'm applying Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and also applying Revolution Renaissance Eyeliner. So for highlighter, I'll be showing you two options, and both of these options are inexpensive and both of them are really great. So the first one I'm using is Revolution Mono Based Eyeshadow. This is actually a single eyeshadow, but it works so great as a highlighter. And the second one is Wet n Wild Precious Petal. This is also another great highlighter out there. So as you guys can see, two inexpensive highlighter, and both of them are just great. So after that, I'm using this W7 matte lipstick, and that's basically it.
So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do let me know in the comment section below what type of videos you would like me to make in future, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!